नमस्तभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः। साधु दर्शनम पाप विमोचनम। भगवान वेदव्यास महर्षि has contributed his whole life for re-establishment of Sanatana Dharma. Not only that he has written the great epic called Mahabharata, he is the author of all the 18 Puranas. His great four disciples, Paila Maharshi, Vaishambhayana Maharshi, Jaimini Maharshi and Sumantu Maharshi became the fundamental acharyas of Rik, Yajus, Sama and Atharva. The four holy textbooks of Sanatana Dharma. The first teacher were Bhagavan Vedavyasa Maharshi's disciples. In Kali Yuga, Vedanta Darshana is the darshana which is most applicable to the ordinary life. It is not only for the rishis or the great scholars of Sanskrit or the great pandits or the great acharyas of Sanatana Dharma, but it is applicable for a local layman. Each and every karma that we follow in our day-to-day affairs are directly based with the relationless relationship to Vedanta. So, a sadhaka, a beginner, when he starts the preparation work for the achievement of the eternal truth, he has to undergo the basic diksha called Gayatri Diksha. Among these Shodasha Samskaras, Upanayanam is the Diksha performed in the ritualistic manner with the customs and systems to be followed for a seeker of truth in Brahmacharya Diksha. The life of a celibate, so Brahmachari, definitely has to undergo deep penance and strict orders of life. He cannot follow the system that the ordinary people used to follow. There are certain rules and regulations which are the fencing for this brahmachari to deal with the world outside. So, let us start the Diksha system with Gayatri Mahamantra, the basic mantra of all the Vedas, which is equally appreciated and accepted by all the acharyas. My holy pranams to Gayatri Mata and all the Rishi tradition by which Sanatana Dharma is re-established. Om Namo Bhagavate Vedavyasaya.